In today's video, we are going to take a deeper dive into the depths of Tas de Merde's disgusting interior and see what hidden treasures we find. Without further ado, let's get this show on the road.
Oh, this thing won't fire. It's distributed. So, it's all toast. See that? See if I can start.
No, it won't turn over.
That's going to be fun.
So the mice chew it?
Yes. I just got real gloves.
I was thinking more for...
Yeah, we'll clean it out. I've got latex stuff.
Yeah, I got
but
latex.
Evan noticed the
Distributor shot.
distributor shot. I don't think it's going to turn over.
I did not notice that either.
I won't start.
Nope. Well, honestly, I was kind of worried about trying to crank it with like 15 of gas in there.
So maybe we'll focus on cleaning it up today.
Yeah.
Okay.
I might get
I'll have to get you.
The Great Handshake initiating in 3, 2, 1.
I'm playing. Nice to meet you, Evan.
Hello. We got it less Nebraska-ized now, so a little more usable.
I dug it, man. The garage full of Busch Light boxes.
Yep.
Yeah, very Nebraska'd up.
Very much our band. And
Yeah.
It's too bad you're not available that weekend. I was thinking, have you guys come and do a concert there, and we'd probably just win for.
Oh, yeah, just have a band?
We just push
Yeah.
it out on the track, and then
I've
like it blew up.
now.
That's fine, I can bleep it.
Well, definitely Tas de Merde. We got Jackass. I don't know what. South Park. 300. Super Bad. Given Sunday. Band of Brothers box set.
This is. I have all these inside.
What is that? Catcher in the Rye. So we probably need to keep an eye on Camden.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Man with the Golden Gun, The Da Vinci Code, Harry Potter,
Favorite sequence.
Future Weapons, like some Nick CDs. Oh god. Silence of the Lambs, Blue Streak, Chainsaw Massacre, Full Metal Jacket, Vacation, Black Hawk Down. It's like Godfather.
Wait, you have a bathroom?
Oh my god. Diploma, no diploma.
Oh, they're so gross, but I want them. Sorry. No, we're working on
Boots and shoes.
I just saw a mouse.
Yeah.
dinner.
There's one in the trunk for sure.
I don't even want to know what this is. Looks like a good one. Is that actually what that is?
Maybe. Nope. Well, now we...
Find your underwear, Cam.
It's a good shape. I'm surprised the mice didn't chew this up.
This one's goes garbage.
That's where the mouse nest stuff came from.
Don't think he's gonna wear these to prom. His prom shoes. Yeah. That truck's the worst. Oh, there's a mouse.
Oh, thank you. Your kids do anything for you?
We've been so focused on the show that we haven't really done much.
Oh. That is thick with mice here. I was like, oh, we got this. We got some oil.
Got a Spanish dictionary. Learn another language. Como bilingual.
We do have. What is it called? I don't know how good it is.
Got a lamp.
Think it still works?
the grass out and everything.
Probably. Probably burn down your house.
Calendar or whatever time, but I want
I don't know, it was free with something else.
for calendar.
That's just true. Well, just leaving it open without it.
You guys have a box cutter?
I do.
Okay.
No. Oh, can I introduce you to the plant? Yeah, okay. This is campus card, right? No, yeah, that's right. Make fun of it. He's not here to defend himself. 2012 time capsule. Jeez.
Okay.
I think it's target net shot. Yeah. Helter.
Oh my god.
Well, I guess it's good he chose the Marine Corps, otherwise it was the serial killer career path.
Yeah, between Catcher and the Ride.
The future weapon. Oh my gosh, that freaks me. Stop doing this. I feel like I'm back in chicken bones. Why totally rested. That's pretty cool.
Kill a mockingbird.
Oh, sorry, Heather. That's not an oil leak.
I thought we were friends.
Actually, it's holding oil. Have you checked the oil? It's only about like a half a quart low, which considering it's been sitting for
Must burn it then.
15 years, yeah.
Oh,
But I didn't see anything that looked like a...
My car burns oil internally. So you can see, like, look how nice the middle inside here is.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yummy.
Can we have more bags?
Some more quarters and stuff.
1967.
I think we need to convince the rules people that we're starting at like $100 or zero. you could argue, I'm talking down like a while before we got here. You could argue that whoever had the target for it would have had to pay to have someone kill it.
Yeah.
I mean, that's evidence. It's been, we never ruled down 14 years ago.
Yeah, and it's more.
There's been one people in a couple of
Last night?
Yeah.
Wait, do you have a hot extension? Yes. We'll come on off there, you know?
Are you sure you want to I gotta do it.
Here's the next one.
And I don't. Oh, that's
They have like a I didn't see anything. Yeah? It would be inside. Oh, weird screw head here. It's like the star head. Oh, yeah. Short screw. I go. I've got. I might have this too. Okay. Just from right wall. That's how you do that. Put them out. Oh, yeah. Put a last one down.
That's it.
Yeah, that was a pack of toast. Oh, yeah, can't get this. No, it's not seeing good enough to even turn it. Get your pipe here. Small pipe.
Since you guys made it to the end of the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for part 3. And here's a very brief list of everything we found in Tas de Merde. 9 books, 50 movies, 5 loose CDs, a high school diploma folder with no diploma, license plates, 2 rubber bracelets, various boots and shoes, a box of books and other school materials, a box of clothes, a chewed-up jacket, jumper cables, a basketball beanbag plushie thing, a tire, random metal, 4 containers of motor oil, a lamp, multiple mouse nests, a duffel bag, Zendaya's black hat, rusted wire strippers, lots of pens, a claim check, coins. And last but not least, the sombrero.